my God. Flooded. Sink flooded. Put my washing on and I was hearing from the living room like water spilling, like, oh my God. I am mortified. Had to get like towels to stop it. I need to call the council. OMG. Madness. Oh my God. This dirty water from the wash machine, because I'm washing blacks, right? Oh, anything black and red. That's what I was washing. And he's basically telling me that I should empty these myself. Can you believe? I'm appalled, I'm pissed off, and he said he probably can't do it. I said, I'm not a pig, I'm not gonna live like this. You were sent to do a job and you're making me taking the water out myself. You knew it's a blockage or whatever is going on over here, and why are you telling me that I should do myself in terms of emptying the sink? Guys, I had to drag all the wet towels from the kitchen to the bathroom and try to get this water, you know, in control, because the guy was just refusing, telling me that he needs better equipment or whatever it was. I said to him, he came out here, I'm not a pig, you need to sort this out, because he's just out of order, like, you know, he's out of order. I made it clear in the call that, you know, is a blockage somewhere, and they sent you out here. They told me the engineer is coming out, and you come here with your backpack or whatever you have on your back, and you are refusing to actually, you know, unplug this bloody sink. It's very annoying, because I actually had this sink blocked, has been over 6 days, and I've got guests in my house. You know, every time I try to wash the dishes, I have to, you know, do gymnastics. But here goes, we got that sorted. Oh, yeah, have a look. We cannot live without sink. Perfect. The man came out, he was complaining, but he got the job done. It was literally 4 minutes outside, 4 minutes job, but he was giving me the hardest time, telling me I should have done it myself, which I did. I took all the water out. Yeah, great stuff.